Hey filmmakers, Chung Dha here. Welcome to another Music Monday. YouTube have uploaded several new artists to their audio library, and one that sticks out to me is Bad Snacks. His songs are a little bit like anime songs, Japanese songs, video game songs. So if you have like an anime channel or like a video game channel, gaming channel, you can use his songs, which feels pretty much like well for those. So let's listen to one of his songs called Leveled Up. It's a free song, so you can also monetize it. So that was Leveled Up. You can hear it's quite a Asian inspired song, and it's not really that fast. It's probably nice for like just low down playing in the background. Let's listen to Mizuki, or actually let's search for all of Bad Snacks songs. Bad Snacks, we can search in the search bar here and hit enter. So he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 songs here. And let's listen to Mizuki. Quite slow song also, but I can hear like be great to have like it playing in the background when you're editing like shots of just walking in the streets of Japan or vlogging somewhere in Japan. Let's listen to Shibuya. So that was Shibuya, and you can hear it starts off slow and have like a fast element and then slows down in the middle. And it's like a good song for like also vlogging, and if you are going to party in Shibuya or like go to visit Shibuya, you know Shibuya is like pretty much a neon city there, and you can have like fast intercutting shots of things that you're doing there or visiting and checking out. Let's listen to Gold Coast. So that was Gold Coast, and you can hear it's a quite nice song if you're going to the beach, and it has like a bit of Japanese Asian element. So if you're somewhere in Asia and you're going to a beach, this be pretty nice song for that. And maybe if there's like a pagoda somewhere near the or a temple near the beach that you can shoot, be interesting to mix and match. So listen to Easy Sunday. So that was Easy Sunday. You can hear it's quite a slow song. Be nice for like if you're just hanging around doing a picnic somewhere. Just relax day, a relax video. Nothing really fast happening or going on. And let's listen to Funhouse. So that was Funhouse. It sounds like a Gran Turismo kind of song, like a nice song in the background playing while driving around the city. And pretty cool song to probably just have like cityscape of like an Asian country or like Hong Kong or Japan, especially with a lot of like city nightscapes at night. So let's listen to The Morning After. That was The Morning After, and I have to say it's a slow song, nice for like more relaxed shots. Nothing really fast happening, but just relaxed animation, or just for like a nice relaxed cinematic sequence without being really fast things going on. So let's listen to the Future City Funk. So that was the Future City Funk, and for me it sounds like a Daft Punk song. It's really like a nice, cool song, just showing you, just a quick sequence showing you going around the city. Also nice for a vlog. So let's go to game plan. So that was game plan, and it's quite slow. It's not really a quick song, but I can hear that it's quite nice if you are going to like some kind of arcade hall or doing some video games video where you want to have like a song in the background. This be a nice song to use for that without being too overly fast when you're talking. So let's now go to Fender Bender. So that was Fender Bender, and personally for me it sounds very like romantic-ish. For like if you're doing a vlog while you're going out with your girlfriend or going out on a date and have like quite a lot of romantic shots, and or you're going on a vacation with your partner and you get like tons of those romantic shots, waking up and drinking coffee and all those simple things. Yeah, this song feels like quite nice for that. Just not super quick, not too abrupt, and quite nice, relaxed, and calm. So that was it for this Music Monday. Check out Bad Snacks on the YouTube audio library. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. See you guys the next time. Bye bye.